Welcome to 5-Min Day Trade Series, Episode 2, guys. So what happened after I closed my position from the previous video in the red box? As you might expect, the price has bounced back from the red box. And I made a lot of money by shorting, and it also created another long opportunity. So I opened a long position approx this area, published on Twitter. I share my daily setups on Twitter. I highly recommend you follow me.
Now just watch the video and enjoy. Show starts.
I hate the rich, honey, but I like nice things. So I need money. I'd sell my soul for money. What is a soul if you ain't got no money? Hot dollar, 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 hot dollar. I want money, dream, we on a spaceship.